Hi guys, my name is MarisaLowe and I am a presenter with Unique, and I wanted to show you our Kudos for this month. It is our lip powders. There are Moodstruck crushed lip powders, and they come in 3 beautiful colors. You can get a beautiful berry color. I feel like this would be a good winter color, like if you want a darker like berry-ish color, this one's for you. Also, we have the beautiful color of Curvaceous, which is a beautiful blue-red color. And, you know, Valentine's is coming up, or if you have a really awesome date night, or you're going out with your girls and you want a beautiful red, this one is for you. Or if you just like wearing red in the daytime, who cares? No one's judging. No one's judging. So, yeah, that one's really pretty. And then we have this beautiful dusty pink color called Casual that is great for every day. And so you can get all 3 of these in a bundle this month for $60. But I want to let you know, these are selling out very quickly. People are starting to buy these. They love them. These are limited editions, so once this month is over, January, they're gone. So they're off the line. So if you are wanting to try these out, these are a new product on the market. Get on it. And or if you just, you know, you need backups, you already bought one, you need backups, better get on it, because right now it looks like we're gonna be running out of it before the month is over. So I decided to get on here and show you what these colors look like. Let's start out with Casual. Okay, also these work really well if you put a liner on first. It will keep the color lasting all day long. What else was I gonna say? Oh, another thing, like I have been having really dry lips, but before I came on here, I used our exfoliator, and also, yeah, I used our exfoliator. So you'll wanna exfoliate your lips before you put on any of these lip powders. If you do not have a lip exfoliator, which you should invest in, you can also just make sure that your lips are moisturized, because you don't want cracked lips while wearing these beautiful colors. Or you can make a little concoction just with sugar and a little bit of olive oil or a little bit of coconut oil, mix it around, stick it on your lips, and that can exfoliate your lips as well. So let's get started. We're gonna try Casual, and I am not going to be using a lip pencil, but it does help out with these colors. And I'll also put it on my hand too for you. This, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but you can see it's powdering up. Once it touches your skin, it turns into a cream. It's really, really awesome. That is the color Casual. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. So let's start out with that one first. I'm using a little mirror right here, but I'll show you as soon as I get it on. See how pretty that is? It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Just kidding. It was Marisa. Come on, pals. We have our suspects. Let's split up and do some interrogating. Don't be silly. I would never steal time. I'm just going to have a fake one and then take credit when it wins tomorrow.
That is the color Curvaceous. Look how beautiful. And one of my friends used this color the other day with a gloss on top, because what happens is when you put this on, it's going to go and give you that matte look. But you can switch it up and make it exciting by adding a gloss. One of my friends used this color the other day with just a clear gloss over it. It looked really beautiful. So this is casual, guys. So I'm going to wipe this one off, and then we'll go in with the berry one. And it does put a stain on your lips so that it stays on all day. So you might see a little bit of color after I do these.
Now, let's talk about you and your notorious sweet tooth.
Oh no, Abigail, that's a little unfair.
Do I need to bring up the jelly beans? Or the birthday cake incident?
Okay. Next, I'm going to be trying our Captivating, the berry one, on my lips. I don't know if you can see the powder. It's just, it's awesome. Okay.
I see you there. Come out. Who are you? His customers. We want to buy you now. Which one does it fastest? Oh, that's a show. But she's been unique. Maybe we will never get her at the end of that. Please.
This is the color Captivating. Now for my last and my favorite color, Curvaceous.
Are you okay?
Now with the red one, like I need to get a red lip liner to go with it, but today I'm just going to show you what it looks like without the lip liner. And this is Curvaceous. Look how pretty this red is. But those are all three of our lip powders. And I just realized I haven't put them on here, all of them. So I'm going to show you real quick.
Someone has stolen 3 of Abigail's famous stone pots. And we figured out who. It's Turo.
This one right here is the Curvaceous. This is Casual.
Come with a dark heart.
You're joking. Right?
Of course I was joking. Obviously. When I saw there were 3 bank robbers, I realized
And this right here is Captivating.
too.
See how gorgeous those are? So right now, for the month of January, you can get these all 3 in a bundle. for $60. If you're in my VIP group, or if you see one that you just have to have, I do have a casual and a captivating available, but send me a message about those. But if you want all 3 of these in the cute little, this is the box they come in, perfect for Valentine's or Valentine's gift, they're $60. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and till next time, bye-bye.